hand.
Okay, now. You got it?
Wait a minute, my hand go right here. Hold it now till I get my hand go.
Okay.
Alright.
And now I'm getting ready to fix some, let me move this out your way. Me and Betty a little slow today. I'm getting ready to fix a baked chicken. It's 6:23. We're late.
Better eat o'clock, ain't no problem.
Okay, come over here. Over here I have some acorn squash. I put some powdered margarine in it and some brown sugar. I put this in the oven. And over here I have some fresh string beans. You know how I do them. And there's some boiled eggs for salad. This stuff I got over here, I gotta make my salad. Okay. Okay.
I'll make sure I get in everything. Now put this back over here.
Okay. Now, these are little chickens from farmer's market. I'm putting this in the oven. Wait a minute. Oh.
Washing our hands. Okay.
Always put a little paprika, garlic salt, what is the pepper? Oh, some pepper.
Chicken already been cleaned and washed.
Oh, I don't eat no dirty food.
Of course not.
Okay. Now, I'm going to put this in the oven. Oh. This in the oven. And this in the oven.
There we go.
And I'll be back. I'm going to show you how I fix my cabbage too. Toodles.